Creative minds. Think alike AI has just hit the scene, and today I'm going to reveal the 7 crucial things you need to know about this software. If you're on the fence or just hearing about it for the first time, stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of whether this is the next AI tool you need. You can try Creative Minds Think Alike for free by using the first link in the description, so you'll get the chance to dive in and explore it firsthand. Now let's get into it. So, what is Creative Minds Think Alike AI? Well, it's a new software designed to unlock your creative potential. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, this tool is aimed at simplifying your workflow and boosting your output without compromising quality. One of the standout features is its ability to instantly generate creative ideas based on minimal input. Let's say you're stuck or need fresh content for a campaign, blog post, or even an email campaign. This software analyzes your current inputs, aligns with your audience's interests, and proposes ideas that you can work with, saving you tons of brainstorming time. Another feature that sets this AI apart is its collaboration capabilities. This isn't just about generating ideas, it's about creating a space for teams to work together seamlessly. If you're running a business or working in a group, this tool can serve as a central hub where all team members contribute their thoughts, and the AI pulls everything together into a cohesive strategy. This makes it incredibly valuable for marketing teams, creative agencies, or anyone who needs to harness collective creativity. What I really appreciate about Creative Minds Think Alike AI is its user-friendly interface. Unlike other tools that have complicated dashboards, this one keeps it simple. You don't need a tech background to get started. Whether you're using it for content generation, strategic brainstorming, or customer persona creation, the intuitive design allows you to jump straight into the action. For marketers, this AI's data-driven approach to creativity is game-changing. It doesn't just give you generic suggestions. Instead, it analyzes data trends and consumer behavior to propose ideas that have a higher likelihood of resonating with your target audience. This makes it not just an idea generator, but a strategic tool for enhancing marketing campaigns. One of the most impressive aspects of Creative Minds Think Alike AI is its scalability. Whether you're working on a small project or handling a large-scale campaign, this AI adjusts to your needs. It can easily handle complex projects, pulling in resources, and offering insights as you scale. If you need something small and quick, or a deep dive into market trends, this tool can do it all. Now, I've tried my fair share of AI software, and what stands out about this one is its ability to give you high-quality results without requiring tons of tweaks and adjustments. If you're tired of wasting time on software that only works after hours of fine-tuning, Creative Minds Think Alike might just be the solution you've been waiting for. Before we wrap up, here's a little teaser. If you're looking for AI tools that truly integrate into your marketing strategy and make your life easier, I've got a list of my top recommendations in the description below. After trying thousands of AI software, these are the ones that I trust. And yes, they all offer free trials so you can test them yourself. Don't forget to hit that link below to try Creative Minds Think Alike for free and check out the other recommended AI tools I've tested. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.